My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Team, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. So loud. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so I actually think I got off on the wrong level. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm in the elevator and it's a lot more quieter, more, more controlled. It's so loud. I don't know why I always get lost. Like, I've been in this mall like 150 times, but I always get lost. But anyway, got an early review for y'all. Yeah, this is the floor. But get to my car. Early review for y'all. I already recorded it, so yeah. I hope this music does not give me a copyright strike. That's what I'm trying to hurry up. Let me hurry up and get in my car. Hold on. Let me shut up. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Because the music is playing everywhere in the mall. I don't want to get a copyright strike, and you still probably can hear it a little bit. But let me close my door a little bit. Yeah. So I already did the sneaker review, the early review. So now, y'all just gotta enjoy it. So that's what's gonna be coming up right now. Then after that, I'm gonna get some information about the shoe. Man, y'all not new to my channel, and if y'all are, what y'all been waiting for? Come on, the GOAT has been here. Anyway, enjoy the review. I'll be back after that to close out the video with some information about the shoe. So enjoy. I'll be back. Boom. Okay. So look, we got this navy blue top right here. Jumpman in the center. Jordan going across. Got that light grayish, bluish, purplish bottom right there. Nike Air right there on the back. On the front, Reese Air Jordan 11 retro low white midnight navy. This is a size 13. I'm still on the fence about if I want to buy this or not, so this is not a personal pair. Just want to give you an early sneaker review. I don't even know what these called, but y'all know when the video comes out, I'm gonna have the actual name for it. So got that tissue paper right there that matches the size that usually be on Jordan 11 lows. Boom. That's right here. Without further ado, let's take this out. We're just gonna take both of them out. Let me close that up. Damn, I can't even get the box. Hold on. Boom. Right there. Yeah. All right. Further ado, we got the Air Jordan 11 low. Now I know what the name is. Diffused blue. Boom, okay. Yeah, the Air Jordan 11 low diffused blue. That's the name. I told you I was gonna get the name. But yeah, do I need it? No, not really. But before I even get into that, let's get into the shoe. We got that. It's like, so this is diffused blue. That's the color they're going with, the color name they're going with. It's like a almost gray, bluish, almost like I was gonna say, I did say purple in the beginning, but not purple, but like, it's a blue, like a grayish blue tint to it. Got that white leather upper right there. Jumpman in the center. They got the white rope laces. Excuse me. Jordan Jumpman on the back with 23 right there. Nothing special. Milky bottom. I do like the milky bottom right there. Got that carbon fiber right there. Milky translucent bottom right there. I mean, it's not nothing special about the shoe, honestly. Honestly, that is basically the shoe. This can't be a long review because it's just a normal Air Jordan 11 low basic colorway. I know people was talking about they wanted this. They was going kind of crazy. These come out this Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not even going to be in town. I'm in Hawaii. I leave on Wednesday. So I don't know what the Foot Locker situation or shoe store situation in Hawaii is. I know when I went to Maui, did I find a Foot Locker? Oh, you know what? So I'm going to last time I went to Hawaii, I went to Maui. They did not have any Foot Lockers. They got them in Honolulu, and that's where I'm going at this week. So, I mean, if they got them there, I'll maybe pick it up, but I'm probably just gonna wait till I get back to the States because I don't want to add extra luggage to my my plane ride. But what y'all think about this? This is a copper drop. Like I said, this is a size 13. It's not a personal pair because I don't know if I really want them or not. They okay, but it's not nothing special. That might be the thumbnail, right? Can we get this as a thumbnail? I'm trying to get that in. Yeah, that's gonna be the thumbnail right there. I like that. There we go. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop. Now let's go back to the spot so I can give y'all some proper information about this shoe. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed that little sneak peek or early review of the Air Jordan 11 Low Diffused Blue. Got some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. You can read along with me, want to. It should be up right now. Should be up right next to me or over that side, whatever. All right, so let me close that. You always gotta close these ads. And then what happened? Oh, there we go. All right. During the summer, the Air Jordan 11 Low's popularity soars as sneaker enthusiasts embrace its iconic design and breathable construction, perfect for warm weather styling and outdoor activities. Jordan Brand has announced the release of a new colorway for summer 2024, the Diffused Blue Jordan 11 Low. This fresh iteration boasts a delightful blend of white, midnight navy, diffused blue, and football gray hues. It features a white, breathable mesh upper complemented by diffused blue on the pattern, mudguards, inner lining, and tongue branding. A clean white midsole atop a translucent outsole completes the design. These released on August the 17th, and retail price is $190. So yeah, that's my cat. But yeah, it was some more little pit. And close that right there. Close it. Come on, close. There we go. All right, some more little pictures. If y'all want to see some more pictures, boom. The box. That's pretty much it. All right, close that out. Yeah. So that's my little early sneaker review on the Air Jordan 11 Low Diffused Blue. Let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Now, remember I told you when I was doing the review, I said I'm on the fence about it. Nah, it's a drop for me. I'm probably gonna pass on them, and it's not nothing I need. Like I said, I got how many 11 lows? I think I got like 3. I see 2 off the top of my brain: the yellow ones and the pink ones, the snakeskin ones. I think I have one more 11 low. I'm trying to think. I had the Bread 11 low. Oh, I got the Dirk Jeter 11 lows too. But yeah, I'm not really a fan of 11. I'm not really a fan of Jordan lows that much, unless they Jordan 1 lows. I got some Jordan 5 lows, but not really a fan of lows that much. And I just don't need it. And I think that I'm probably gonna pass on a black and white 4s that's gonna drop too. I just don't need that. It's a black and white shoe. It's a Jordan 4, but I might change my mind about that. But I really don't need a black and white shoe, especially when I got the playoffs. Like, I know it's a different silhouette, but it's still color pattern, black and white. I don't know. So I'm just not into buying shoes the way I used to be. So, which is good because I can save some money. But anyway, like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneaker head, representing Tune's Kicks. Oh, my sign fell back. I just noticed my sign fell back. But representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.